I've been looking for a radio for my e36, but everything I found was either too modern and flashy or way too expensive. The ones that actually match the style, like the Black Punk radio, are nice, but they are not exactly cheap. But then I found this on Amazon. It's about 20 bucks at most, and if you catch it on sale, you can get it as low as 16. It's simple, not too flashy, and it won't attract too much attention. Plus, it lets you connect your phone, and honestly, it's better than having a gaping hole in your dashboard. So, let's take a quick look at what you get, do a quick review, and then I'll show you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth, change the colors, and see if this thing is actually worth it. Alright, today we are checking out the e36 car stereo. If you are looking for an affordable radio that gives you a ton of features without breaking the bank, this might be it. Let's open it up. We've got some paperwork, the warranty and the manual. Yeah, I'll just put this over here. Now, here's the main event, the A3032. Now, it's a lightweight unit, and yes, it's all made of plastic. But don't let that fool you. This little guy comes packed with features. Bluetooth for hands-free calls and streaming, USB and SD card slots, aux input, and of course AM/FM radio. Let's see what else comes in the box. We've got a remote control, the manual in case you want to dive into all the settings, the wiring harness for easy installation, and two removable keys so if you ever need to take it out, you won't have to pry it out. Does it feel like a premium sound system? No, but that's not the point. This is about getting tons of functionality for an insanely low price. If it connects to Bluetooth and lets me play my music, it's already doing its job. We've got a remote control, which honestly feels like a cheap toy from a dollar store, but hey, it's a nice touch. The remote control uses two AAA batteries. The car stereo comes with two plugs, one for the power and the other one is for the speakers. And they connect alright, so no complaints on that front. Now, let me show you how to connect your cell phone to the car stereo. Let's get the Bluetooth working. First, press the mode button until you see BT on the screen. Just keep pressing the mode button until you see BT on. That means it's ready to pair. Now grab your phone and go to Bluetooth settings. Look for a device called SWL, that's the stereo. Tap on it, let it sync, and boom, you're connected. Here's the best part. Bluetooth connects automatically. You don't have to reconnect it every time. Just hop in, start your car, and it's ready to play. Now, if you're using something like Spotify, you may need to hit play on your phone the first time. But once you do that, it's set and forget. Next time, it will reconnect on its own. No hassle, no menu, just instant music. So yeah, for a budget stereo, this is actually pretty awesome. No complicated setup, just turn on your car and go. Let me show you how to change the color of the radio. Press the volume wheel until you see the auto on the display. This is the setting that rotates through all the colors. If it's already showing a color like yellow, green, red, or blue, just press the wheel and then turn it to scroll through the options. Once you see the color you want, press the wheel again to lock it in. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next one.